Introducing MoorGuard, the world's first rope fuse. To understand what a rope fuse is, let's begin by asking a question. What safety device does an electrical system have that a rope system doesn't? The answer is a fuse, a small, inexpensive device that at a certain load acts to prevent catastrophic damage, injury, or death. MoorGuard is that fuse. A patented rope technology made from a new polymer that stretches instead of breaking. As this video demonstrates, when overloaded, MoorGuard simply stretches, dissipating dangerous potential energy while preventing line failure and snapback. A graphic explanation may be helpful. In this example, we are using a 4-inch diameter polypropylene mooring line. It has an initial break strength of 84 tons, but we only use 1/7 of that strength. The safe working load, the load that must never be exceeded, is just 12 tons. This is because we apply a safety factor to the line. We do this because in everyday use, we do not know how much actual load is on the line. The MoorGuard fuse eliminates that unknown. It acts like a linear load cell and activates only at a specified load. It stretches, providing immediate and lengthy warning of a dangerous overload situation. A MoorGuard protected line can never exceed the safe working load, shown here by the yellow line. With MoorGuard, anything between safe load and the breaking load is just unused rope. You may ask, what are the advantages of a fuse that never lets you overload a rope? The answer is simple. You can use smaller lines, save money, and be safer, all at the same time. If we can now safely use smaller line, how small can we go? That is determined by the actual design load of the system. But if we can operate today with a safe working load of 12 tons, we can use that as our design load and starting point. From our chart, we can see that if we maintain a designated safe load of 12 tons and apply a safety factor of 3, which we can do because a MoorGuard protected line can never exceed the safe working load, we get a rope with a break of just 36 tons. The red curve on our chart. This corresponds to a 2.5-inch diameter line. With MoorGuard, you can downsize from a 4-inch line to a 2.5-inch line, saving between 50 to 75% in mooring line costs, represented by the black curve. The smaller line is easier to handle and helps reduce sprains and strains while speeding up the mooring process. Which line would you rather work every day? MoorGuard will allow you to safely use any rope at a safety factor 3 or less and potentially save up to 75% on your current mooring line costs. If you currently use large lines, you may be able to reduce the number of line handlers. Lighter, easier to handle lines could reduce injuries and lower insurance costs. And you could find mooring to be faster, safer, easier, and cheaper. A MoorGuard fuse is designed to prevent overload to help reduce line handling injuries, line damage, lower insurance costs, and ultimately eliminate snapback injuries. We invite you to watch our anti-snapback demonstration on YouTube at the link displayed on your screen. The MoorGuard rope fuse. Safe, simple, secure. It's available exclusively from Active Safety, and you can request more information by emailing us at moorguardinfo@yahoo.com.